So how do you activate travel insurance on Revolut? Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll guide you on how you can activate your Revolut travel insurance. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So maybe you want to activate a travel insurance. Well, let me tell you that the travel insurance policy on Revolut is actually automatically activated the moment you upgrade your plan to premium or metal. Now, currently I actually have a standard plan, which is a free plan, but you can always choose to upgrade your Revolut plan to premium or metal, and you'll be covered automatically once you are abroad, as long as you have purchased the premium metal plan prior to the trip. So you want to make sure you must have purchased it prior before the trip, and there's no need for you to let the Revolut team know about your travel plans either, because your travel insurance will be automatically activated once and for all the moment you upgrade your plan to premium or metal. So hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.